What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to add your domain on Shopify. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first of all, domain is not free. You will need to buy your own domain on different website you can find. For example, Google domains. And if you already have a domain, this is how you're going to add it on your Shopify. Just go to your settings and under settings, just click domains. And as you can see here that you can choose to buy your own domain or connect existing domain. So if you don't have a domain, just buy a new domain. And if you already have a domain, just click connect existing domain. And if you will need to insert your domain URL right here. And so for example, I use facebook.com and it's not mine. So it says this domain is already an ownership. So if your domain is not your ownership, this is how you're going to do it. You just need to verify your domain ownership. You just need to follow this instruction and you will gain your ownership, and after you done that, you can now copy your domain URL and paste it right here, and that's it. After that, pasting your domain URL, just click verify connection and your domain is already added to your Shopify, and that's all you can do. Also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.